This instructional video will cover the install process for the lower door inserts by ProArmor. The vehicle we are using today is a 2018 RZR Turbo S. These instructions will assist you in installing ProArmor lower door inserts for the RZR 900, 1000, and Turbo model vehicles 2014 to present. Step 1. Remove stock seats from vehicle. Remove stock rear quarter panel on Turbo S models with T25 bolts. Skip this step on non-S models. Step 2. Remove all 6 T25 bolts holding the stock door skin on vehicle and set aside. Step 3. Using a 1/2-inch drill bit, drill out the front 2 holes in the door frame for the rubber insulated brass rivet nut. Step 4. Reinstall the door skin with T25 bolts, but leave out the bottom middle bolt. Step 5. Install the number 2 rubber insulated brass rivet nuts into the 1/2-inch holes. Small side first, so the shoulder sits against the door frame. Install door inserts with supplied 1/4 inch by 20 by 1 inch long bolts with 1/4 inch washers into the front rubber rivet nuts. Install the T25 OEM bolt back into the frame and leave bolts hand tightened. Step 6. Once the bolts are tightened, use a 1/4 inch drill bit and drill a hole at the back of the door. Install the M6 by 16 mm flanged Allen bolt with the M6 acorn nut. Step 7. Step 8. Install clamps on the quarter panel loosely. Step 8. Install panel on the door frame tube. Position the panel so you have an even gap with the rear plastic and tighten all 4 M6 bolts. Step 9. After the door insert is installed, you may need to adjust it so the door closes and seals properly. Loosen the latch and close the door. Position the door so you have a nice tight fit on the front plastics. Tighten all 4 T40 hinge bolts . Open the door and tighten the 2 striker bolts. Open and close the door to check for any binding or dragging on the latch. If there is, loosen the striker and adjust as needed. Step 10. Reinsert stock seats and repeat steps for opposite door. You can visit our website at proarmor.com to download the written instructions, or if you have any questions, please contact our customer service team at 1-888-312-7667.